Hello everyone. Today I will be demonstrating a simple method by which to create store logic. You will open up the Deluxe Puppet, go to Gadgets, select Sensors and Inputs, select a tag. We'll set the tag about here. That's a good solid height. Label the tag Use. This will allow you to interact with objects. Open up the control sensor and attach the triangle button output to the tag's input. Next, we're going to need a variable. We're going to label this variable money. This will represent your wallet, for which you shall purchase the items. Set it to persist in dream if you want it to carry over to multiple levels within a dream, and have the save data remain active. Set the minimum value to 0 and the maximum value to 10. Next, we're going to copy out this variable, set the maximum value to 1, and rename the variable item. Now this is the item we're going to be purchasing today. Go ahead, copy it out, remove its collidable feature, scope into the puppet, and attach the lifesaver to this groinular area. Or I should say, group it. Now that that's done, scope in and open up the sculpture settings. Set the current value to the visibility of the item. Next, we're going to work on purchasing. Simply take a microchip, stamp it out on the object. Then go to Movers and Output and select a dialog text displayer. We're going to write a little description for our item. We will name it a lifesaver since it looks like a life preserver. Now that that's done with, go to the Activate Prompt circle for canceling the purchase. Just write cancel. Then go to the X Activate Prompt for X and put buy. This will allow you to buy the item if you have enough money. Set prompt to close off. Next, we're going to need a title for the item. Simply take out a text displayer and put in the name of your item. Move it up like so. Next, we're going to select a camera so we can get a good view of our item. Set camera to cut. Disable controller sensor output. Hide imps. Fun fact, even if the controls are disabled, dialogue and text displayers still work. This is really handy if you want to prevent the movement of a puppet but also still be able to select things. to use dialog text displayers. Now go to text active and hook it up to the input of the camera. And also the title of the item. Next, we're going to want to take out a trigger zone. We're going to label this trigger zone to detect tags. The tag to detect will be use. It means that when you press triangle, you will be able to interact with this object. Next, we're going to copy that trigger zone out and label it to only detect friends. Now we're going to label our puppet as a friend. Copy this out real quick. Set it to in scene, facing camera, always on top. Now we're going to make a little prompt. The companion website In Dreams Me can show you how to make many prompts if you just check out the Getting Started section, I believe. Now that that's done, we're going to connect this. Take out a NOT gate, connect it to the power of the friend zone, and take the text active output and put it into the NOT gate. This means that when the text is active, this little label will not appear. Now let's set a camera angle for examining our item. Now that that's done, we're going to need one more little piece of logic. A variable modifier. Set it to modify money. We will set the price at 3 money to purchase. Make it -3 so that it will subtract precisely 3 points from the variable. Next, we're going to put down the cost. Costs 3M. There are no doubt some more stylish ways to display the price of your item, but this will do. Now we're going to hook up the X output to money. We're also going to copy out that variable, set it to +1, and change the target to item. Next, we're going to take out a calculator. Set it to greater than, and I believe set the output to 2. Now we're going to take our current value from money and hook it up to the A output. Put the result, we're going to hook up to the input of the X prompt. Now if this works properly when you wish to purchase an item, the X prompt will not appear. Slight correction on this little thing here. Put it up a bit. Now we're going to give ourselves a little amount of money with which to purchase the exact price of the item. As you can see, now that we have enough money, we can purchase the item. And when we press buy, we now have the item on our person. It even works with multiple purchases. We'll now set the value to 10, no, 6, so that we may purchase 2 lifesavers. 1, 2. Of course, that's not represented visually, but we purchased 2. This is a very old method, which is quite simple for creating store logic. I discovered it as I was working on one of my early projects, and I thought I might share it with anyone who's interested. If you found this information helpful, go ahead and give a little like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. That is all for today.
You